Is your video too dark or too bright? Don't delete the shot. Welcome back to day 20. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. You can often save it using Final Cut Pro's color board. In under 3 minutes, you'll learn the basic of how to adjust the exposure. To get to the color correction tools, open the color inspector. It's the triangle icon with the colors inside of the inspector panel on the right. By default, you'll see the color board. It has 3 tabs: color, saturation, and exposure. Let's click on exposure. You'll see 4 pucks. The one on the far left is the global or master control. Pushing this puck up will make the entire image brighter. Pulling it down will make it darker. The other 3 pucks give you more control. Shadows controls only the darkest parts of the image. Midtones controls the middle range, and highlights controls the brightest parts. For a dark clip, you might try lifting the midtones and shadows a bit. Now you can fix the brightness of any shot. But what about the colors themselves? In the next video, we'll use the saturation tab in the color board to make your colors pop or to create a black and white look. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 21.